Hello everyone, this is the second devlog on my game Escape the Hex, and I think that till now I have made some decent progress, so I will show you some of it. So first, when we play the game, you can see that the survivors automatically spawn in. It is random, sometimes there might be 3 survivors, sometimes 2, it depends. And you can also see that there is some action text hovering over their heads, which just shows how many action points they have. When I move the survivor somewhere, you can see that the action decreases, so that way you can't move just infinitely with the survivors. So we can move somewhere, we can end the round, and the action points will reset. You can see that everyone has different number of max action points, and I have also added the function for collecting resources. So when I right click the survivor, you can see that he collects some resources, and you can also see them here. Right now there are some kind of like elements for which you will be buying those cards which you have here, and obviously each tile gives me different resources. So this yellow is kind of like field, and you can see that it gives me the wind element and also the fire element. And when I try to collect the resources on the green, you can see that it gives me the rock and also the wind. Yeah, so I think that the game is getting better and better. Soon I will be adding some costs for those cards, that they are not free, and maybe some enemies, we will see. Here you can see, for example, how I made the data for each tile, that I have just a scriptable object for each tile, and on it I just have the tile, so I can identify which tile has which values, and I have just defined the elements that you can collect, which I have made using a list, so I can add any elements I would want. And the walking difficulty and all of that stuff is not implemented yet, but there will be definitely a lot more stuff that you can do with those tiles. I hope that you are liking the game so far. Please let me know down in the comments what kind of stuff you would want to see me at, and what you think of this idea, and if you want to see more devlogs on this channel. And I will see you in next videos. Bye!